Alright, so we're here at Universal. Nadia, let's see your wand. Show me. We're going to go back to Ollivanders and get some wand repair. Let's just show them how broken your wand is though, dear. Yeah. Come here. Let me have it. Yeah, she has the Luna Lovegoods wand and the whole top part of it came off. So you can see how extremely broken this is. Now, this isn't the part that does the magic. The magic is on the other end there, but it's all scuffed up as well. And Owen's is scuffed up, so we need his fixed. But Mommy. Oh yeah. There he is up there. But we're gonna go into Ollivanders today to see if they will fix her wand or not, so we can see just how broken do the wands need to be for them not to fix the wands. Because usually if you buy one at a time, whenever you come back you can get wand repair, which is a really good thing because my kids tear these up pretty good. Usually it's just the tip they scuff up, but this time with Nadia's, it's really broke. So we'll see if they'll fix it today. Gonna go in this side today. Not the brick wall, but this way. Not too awfully busy in here. We're inside Ollivanders. Alright, so we went into Ollivanders and they were able to exchange Owen's wand, no problem. So he got some wand repair, really good, but they were unable to repair Nadia's Luna Lovegoods wand. And so they let her get a different wand. So yeah, she got a Fantastic Beasts wand, and this one has pink on the tip there. It is all beautiful, pink and sparkly. And so now she can do her magic here in the Wizarding World with her brand new wand. Alright, I'm super excited. We are in the Ollivanders wand experience. We've never done this before. And so we just walked in. There isn't any line. Usually the line is super long. So we're going to do it tonight. We're excited. Look at this broom. It's sweeping the ceiling. It's so dark in here, we can't see it.
Welcome to Ollivanders, makers of fine wands since 382 BC. I am the wand keeper. What a very lovely house. Small robes. Oh, I say, most handsome. Are you here for a wand, miss?
Sure.
Oh, sure. What is your name?
Maria.
Maria. Maria. Come to the desk, won't you? Here in the lamplight, we can see each other properly. Maria, you may know that every Ollivander wand has a core of a powerful magical substance. We only use the finest elements in our wands here at Ollivanders. Unicorn hairs, phoenix tail feathers, the heartstrings of dragons. No two Ollivander wands are the same, just as no two unicorns, dragons, or phoenixes are quite the same. And of course, Maria, you will never get such good results with another wizard's wand. So may I ask you, which is your wand arm, right or
Right.
Right. Oh, right. There are only a few types of wood that are considered wand quality. This is a wand of hawthorn, 13 3/4 inches. Oh, reasonably springy, and it has a phoenix tail feather at the core of it. Now, let us try a bit of magic, Maria. I'd like you to ring the bell upstairs, the one next to the door there. Just concentrate on the bell. No spell is required. Simply imagine the sound of that bell chiming exactly once. And when you're ready, give the wand a good solid flick directly at it. Yes. No, just once, Maria. That's all you need. See, this is not enormous. That is clearly another wizard's wand. And the wand chooses the wizard, and has always been true for those of us who study wand lore. So, not Hawthorne. Not for you. Let's go in the opposite direction, shall we? A wand of alder. Now this is most impressive. 17.5 inches. It's relatively soft. And this one has a unicorn hair at the core of it. Try rolling that ladder along its track towards the stairs. Just point the wand at the ladder. When you're ready to slide it here, say Accio ladder. Off you go.
Okay. Accio ladder.
Now. Italian comes up. Well, let's get that out of your hands. Perhaps I don't know enough about you. With whom are you here? Who are you with?
Those two.
Those two are your...
Parents.
Oh, I see. Do you like... When you wish to enjoy yourself, what do you like to do? What are you passionate about? Enthusiastic about?
Reading.
Reading? Are you Ravenclaw?
No.
No. Oh, what house did the sorting hat put you into?
Gryffindor.
A Gryffindor who likes books? Strange. Well, I wonder. It's a perfect fit. That is a wand of reed. Just perfect for a Gryffindor who's a little bit bookish. These wands are found in the hands of wizards and witches who are bold, eloquent speakers, and they are excellent for casting spells of divination that will give you glimpses of the future. And with a unicorn hair at the core of it, your charismatic charm will help you on your way. May I? Yes. Unicorn hair. Oh, perfect. This is the one, Damien. This is my assistant, Damien. He'll be able to answer any questions that you have. Just remember, Maria, never store a wand in your back pocket. Elemental safety. Off you go then. And of course, you are all free to peruse our entire collection. Damien here will lead you through the secret passage. Thank you for selecting Ollivanders. Farewell.
Thank you, everybody.
All right, Nadia's going to use her brand new wand. Good job, Nadia. All right, so I'm not sure this is going to show up on the camera, but if you go down here in Nocturn Alley, so down here in Nocturn Alley, they have these lights back here, these black lights. And if you put your map underneath of it, you'll see some things that you don't normally see in the daytime. So over here, you can see special glowing pieces of the map over here to show you around Nocturn Alley. See those special glows? And you see the S?
And a triangle.
Yeah. So these are the Nocturn Alley, the places that you can go down in here that have magic. So let's go down here and do some magic. So over here is where you can stand and make the bone stands. Giant skeletons. But I never noticed the ceiling was entirely made of skeletons as well. Stepped inside a store. $20.
Can you get it?
It's super cute. Maybe Santa will give it to you. All right, so we knew that these were like puppets and they turned their heads, but we never did know that they tweeted too. Push the button. Those are really cute. $40. They have Hedwig cups as well. So many fun. Oh, look, there's a Fantastic Beast shirt. Nadia, this is like the wand that you have. It's from the Fantastic Beasts. See?
Mommy, this is what we saw.
Yeah, that's on Hagrid's, isn't it? I wanted to show the map that is now not under the blacklight, so you can see how it's different. So I glue in the dark all those magical places that you can have magic in a Nocturn Alley. And then this is outside Nocturn Alley here. And then the other side of the map, so this is Diagon Alley. And then over here is the Harry Potter land over in Islands of Adventure. Alright, so we're gonna go get in line for Gringotts. We haven't ridden it in a while, and it's only a 35-minute wait. So we're gonna go get in line for that right now. Owen just did it so fast. He turned on all the lights. It's beautiful. Yeah. These wands are working really well. Good job. Look some more at this beautiful Christmas lights they have over here in Diagon Alley. Always love to go back here and get a shot through this wreath of the dragon shooting fire out. And that's a great shot. But we're gonna go ride Gringotts. It's a 35-minute wait, so we're gonna go put our stuff in the locker and then go through the line.